Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're tuning in, you're probably looking for the unvarnished truth about wealth building. No fluff, just a real masterclass level breakdown of the mechanics of money. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's totally reconstruct your financial future. I'm going to prove you're doing money all wrong, and I've got the proof right here. Wow. That is the bold claim we're unpacking today. It's a pretty provocative statement, right? But it's really designed to snap us out of our collective financial complacency. Most of us think we have a decent handle on our cash simply because our bills are paid on time. But here's the thing. Merely surviving your month, that is not the same as actually managing your money correctly. We're going to dive into the hidden truths about the habits that are quietly but actively holding you back from your ultimate goals. Okay, let's dive right into our roadmap. First up, the great money illusion. Second, the pitfalls holding you back. Third, we'll be debunking common money myths. Fourth, a financial paradigm shift. And finally, number 5, your new financial blueprint. All right, starting with section 1, the great money illusion. So the whole foundation of this explainer is built on a pretty uncomfortable reality, which is that a lot of people approach money completely wrong. I mean, consider this. A massive percentage of people driving around in luxury cars or living in these giant, oversized homes are literally just one missed paycheck away from default. They're walking around totally blinded by deep-seated misconceptions about what it actually takes to achieve real financial freedom. Society basically handed us a script, right? Go to work, spend what you earn, maybe save whatever happens to be left over if you're lucky, and we've just accepted it as law. But it's a total illusion. It's a mindset that prioritizes immediate gratification over long-term security. Today, we're here to expose these illusions and replace them with a demonstrably superior, data-backed way to build lasting wealth. Moving on to section 2, pitfalls holding you back. Let's be honest, we live in an environment that is expertly engineered to separate you from your money. Just look at the primary culprits here. First off, toxic consumerism. It's that relentless pressure to buy things you absolutely do not need, with money you barely have, just to impress people you don't even know, or frankly, even like. Second, chasing quick riches. This is that dangerous lottery mindset, looking for that one magic investment or side hustle that'll make you a millionaire overnight. Spoiler alert, that almost always ends in lost capital. And finally, neglecting financial education. This is perhaps the most devastating pitfall of them all. Choosing not to learn how money works essentially ensures you're always going to work for it rather than having it work for you. This contrast is super stark, isn't it? On one side, you have impulsive spending fueled by consumerism. Sure, it feels great in the moment, but it is a silent destroyer of wealth. Think of every dollar spent impulsively as a little soldier you've sent away, never to return. But on the flip side, you've got smart investing powered by financial education. This is all about retaining your capital and deploying it strategically. Smart financial education builds an absolute fortress around your future. It is literally the difference between a temporary dopamine hit from shopping and the unshakable peace of mind that comes from true financial security. Okay, section 3, debunking common money myths. Now, what's really interesting here is looking at how a lack of budgeting just bleeds a wallet dry. A staggering 60% of income is routinely devoured by bad spending habits, and another 30%, that just vanishes into unbudgeted expenses. That leaves a measly, tiny 10% for savings. It's crazy. And the thing is, it's not usually the big purchases that bankrupt us. It's the death by 1,000 cuts. The daily coffees, the subscriptions you forgot about, the impulsive takeout. Without a budget, you are basically operating blind. A lack of budgeting quietly and ruthlessly eats away at the exact capital you could be using to buy your freedom. And man, that bleed builds into a massive deficit over time. Check out the exponential power of investing early on this chart. An early start can yield a return index of 100, while delaying just a few years plummets that potential down to 40. And a late start? That leaves you at a mere 10. No way, right? When you hesitate, when you tell yourself, oh, I'll start investing when I make more money or when things settle down, you are completely forfeiting the mathematical magic of compound interest. Because that's what it is, magic. It's the phenomenon where your money makes money and then that new money makes even more money. Every single year you delay, the curve you have to climb to catch up just gets steeper and steeper. Which brings us to section 4, a financial paradigm shift. So to actually fix these problems, minor tweaks to your budget just aren't going to cut it. You need a full-blown financial paradigm shift. By definition, this is a fundamental change in your entire approach. It means pulling your focus away from just making it to the end of the month and projecting it out to the end of the decade.
It requires prioritizing financial literacy, like actually understanding the vehicles of wealth creation. And it demands mindful spending. That means every single dollar that leaves your bank account has been given a specific job by you. This shift totally replaces the anxiety of stressful, quick-fix survival with the steady, calm mechanics of mindful wealth building.
So the absolute crucial point here is this. Long-term strategy must ruthlessly replace the desire for quick riches. Real wealth is, well, almost universally boring. Seriously, it is methodical, it's the result of consistent, unsexy habits repeated over a really long time horizon. Once you fully internalize this mindset, you stop falling for all those financial gimmicks, you stop panicking every time the market takes a dip, you finally realize that true financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint, and you start pacing yourself accordingly. All right, let's wrap this up with Section 5, your new financial blueprint. Here we go, the definitive 3-step path to secure your independence. Step 1, mindful spending. You've got to stop the impulsive bleed. Question every purchase and make sure it actually aligns with your real values, not just some fleeting desire. Step 2, budgeting and saving. Give every single dollar a name and a destination before the month even begins, and aggressively protect a portion of your income to keep for yourself. Step 3, long-term investing. Take those protected savings and put them to work in the market, letting the exponential power of time and compound growth build your fortress. I really want to reiterate this incredibly empowering conclusion from our source material. A different approach is not only possible, but necessary for financial freedom. Listen, you are not doomed to repeat the financial mistakes of your past, and you certainly aren't chained to that paycheck-to-paycheck societal norm. Taking total control of your financial destiny is absolutely within your grasp. It just requires you to actually execute the blueprint we've laid out today. So, I want to leave you with a direct question to think about. Take a hard look at your own habits, maybe pull up your own bank statements, and ask yourself, what is the biggest money mistake you are going to stop making today? Is it the impulsive shopping? Is it the lack of a clear budget? Or maybe the delay in finally opening that investment account? Whatever it is, identify it right now. It's time to rethink your relationship with money, drop the illusions, and adopt these long-term wealth-building habits immediately. The blueprint is right there in your hands. Now it's time to build.